हेलो ऑल, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हमारा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है विच इज लेबर। सो बेसिकली ये वीडियो हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए बनाए हैं। इसमें हम सिर्फ दो चीज देखेंगे। वन इज व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायरेक्ट लेबर एंड सेकेंडली व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इनडायरेक्ट लेबर। सर दोनों क्यों इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है? This both the topic is important. You need to understand because a direct labor is a part of prime cost. It is a part of prime cost because it can be easily related to the production. It can be easily related to a particular activity. However, indirect labor, it is indirectly related to an activity or it is indirectly related to production. Henceforth, it forms part of overhead. So, under cost sheet, direct labor will come under prime cost. Indirect labor will come under overhead, which is factory overhead. So, basically, in this particular chapter, we will only deal with direct labor cost. We will only deal with direct labor cost, DLC. So from the next lecture, we will see how to calculate salaries, wages, what are the different methods of calculating wages. Then we will see the labor turnover also. But for this video, we have just differentiated, just given an introduction that there are two kinds of labor. One is direct labor and another one is indirect labor. Direct labor is a part of prime cost. Indirect labor is a part of overhead. Even after labor chapter, when we will come into the standard costing, you will find that there is labor variance. Now labor variance generally means that it will only calculate variance with respect to direct labor. So under standard costing, direct labor variance means it will only take part of direct labor cost. It won't be calculating anything with respect to indirect labor. So for indirect labor, under standard costing, we need to see overhead variance. So we will discuss in detail when we will start with standard costing, but for the time being, do remember that direct labor is a part of prime cost, indirect labor is a part of overhead. Now come to the theory part. Direct labor, benefits paid or payable which can be easily identified and allocated to any activity such as production, contract or cost center. Such cost becomes a part of prime cost. In standard costing, we need to analyze direct labor variance. Indirect labor cost, benefits paid or payable which cannot be easily identified and allocated to any activity such as production, contract or cost center. Such cost becomes part of the overhead cost. In standard costing, we need to analyze with overhead variance for indirect labor. So I hope the introduction part has been quite clear for everyone. So from the next lecture, we will start with our chapter. For this lecture, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching this video.